Denon soundbars might shut down automatically due to three main reasons: auto standby mode, an energy-saving feature; sleep timers, which are user set for power off; and overheating protection. This video will guide you through troubleshooting each issue. Keep in mind that some models use AI to predict and alert users to potential shutdowns based on usage data. Auto standby mode powers off the soundbar after 15 to 30 minutes of inactivity to save energy, complying with EU standards. A misconfigured auto standby can trigger prematurely due to weak signals or app interference. Check your Denon settings and turn off auto standby mode. Also ensure that the HDMI CEC signals are properly configured to avoid unintended triggers. The sleep timer is a user-set timer that automatically shuts down the soundbar after a period of 30 to 120 minutes. It's designed to save power or prevent the device from running overnight. To disable or adjust the sleep timer using your remote control, look for the sleep button on the control panel. Pressing it allows you to access the timer settings and turn it off. Alternatively, use the Denon app. Navigate to Settings, then Audio, and select Sleep Timer. From there, you can disable or adjust the timer to prevent unwanted shutdowns during use. Overheating protection is a safety feature that automatically shuts down the soundbar when temperatures reach around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. This prevents permanent damage to the internal components. To prevent overheating, ensure your soundbar has good ventilation. Regularly clear any dust from the vents and keep the area around it open. Avoid placing it in enclosed spaces where heat can build up. Always avoid placing the soundbar near heat sources, such as televisions or other electronics that generate heat. Some newer Denon models include thermal alerts that warn you before an automatic shutdown occurs. First, check all HDMI connections and ensure they're secure. Then, update your Denon soundbar's firmware. You can do this through the Denon website or the Denon app. Firmware updates often address bugs that cause unexpected shutdowns. Denon released firmware updates in late 2025 and early 2026 for models like the DHT S56H and AVR X series soundbars to address persistent auto shutoff bugs. If settings and firmware updates don't solve the shutdown issue, try resetting your Denon soundbar. Locate the power button on the front panel of your soundbar. Hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the device resets. This can clear software glitches that cause automatic shutdowns. After the reset completes, you'll need to reconfigure your soundbar settings, such as audio preferences and connections. Ensure your soundbar is receiving stable power. Use a different power outlet to rule out power fluctuations. Also, make sure the power cable is securely connected to the soundbar and the outlet. An unstable power supply can cause unexpected shutdowns. Rule out power fluctuations by checking outlet stability. Smart home interoperability can cause issues with Denon soundbars. Problems often arise from integrations with devices like Amazon Echo, where compatibility glitches lead to unexpected shutdowns or disconnections. According to Denon forums, 15% of complaints are related to third-party integrations, highlighting the challenges of connecting soundbars with other smart home devices. Looking ahead, experts predict soundbars will evolve toward more wireless ecosystems. Firmware updates will become the primary solution, reducing the need for physical repairs by 30%, according to IDC forecasts.